got the 500 all back together here. And Lana is going to go with me for a little test drive, warm up the motor. So we'll see how this feels. Oh, she's already feeling snappier. It feels almost like it did on the 27-inch tires.
This is a goofy road.
Goofy road. Oh, there's a big branch across. Let's see some action here. Muscles working. Muscles in action. Clearing trails.
My daddy, my daddy, my daddy.
What's the song that my sister and I used to sing? Working like men, working like men. Ugh. He doesn't know we're filming him right now. Better keep on going.
Made it.
Yeah.
No problem.
Good job, honey. Get in.
Again. Don't wait without me.
Leave without you, honey. Oh boy, here we go to the next one.
It
Look at
is-
Daddy. You should film Daddy doing those. Hey, Daddy, you should go through it again in reverse. Oh, he's doing it in reverse. Oh, he will make it. Whee! Was that fun? I know. What are we gonna do? Wow. All right. Now here we go.
Oh, alright, we are back out here to my makeshift drag strip location. We are going to do our 0 to 30 run again with the Power Commander. If I can get my harness all untangled here. And see if there's any noticeable difference, at least as far as a straight line acceleration. Now I'll give you my thoughts on normal trail riding here when we're all said and done. But for right now, we'll just focus on strictly our main line acceleration test here. Nothing left to do but lay down some time. So here we go, Power Commander, 0 to 30 time. We're going to do like we did before. I think that was the best short shift through low to get us that good launch, and we'll go from there. 3, 2, 1. A huge rock there I just smacked. Oh wow, here we go. 0 to 10, 1.33. 0 to 25, 6.16. And a 0 to 30, 9.05 seconds. We are almost in under the 9-second mark. I think a couple more runs here, we can get down into the 8s. First thing I'm going to do is go move that big rock before I break something. That was a hard hit. Alright, second attempt. Power Commander, 0 to 30. 3, 2, 1. Mr. Rock. Ah, we missed it. Very, very similar times. 0 to 10, 1.22. 0 to 25, 6.23. And a 0 to 30 of 9.06. All verified times. First run wasn't quite verified. I think that's because of that weird start I had. These ones all verified. All right, here we go. 0 to 30. 3, 2, 1. We got below 9 seconds. 0 to 30. Let's wait. 0 to 10. 1.19 seconds. 0 to 25, 6.54, and a 0 to 30 of 8.89 seconds. So not only did we clear the 9-second mark, we're a couple tenths below it. Alright, so that did the Power Commander actually give us any more power? Going by our data, it definitely did. Here is the best times from each run. Our best 0 to 10 times stock was 1.26 seconds. Our best 0 to 10 time with the Power Commander, 1.19 seconds. Little improvement there. Our best 0 to 25 stock was 6.5 seconds. Our best 0 to 25 time with the Power Commander, 6.1 seconds. So that's a pretty good boost there. Almost 0.5 of a second off. Now our 0 to 30. Our best time 0 to 30 was 9.86 seconds. Our best 0 to 30 time with the Power Commander, a whopping and astonishing 8.89 seconds. So that's over a second the Power Commander has taken off on our 0 to 30 times. So, is there a definite improvement on power? Absolutely. Our data shows that the Power Commander does give a decent boost in performance. I mean, we shaved a whole second off our 0 to 30 times. When you're talking drag racing cars and stuff, when they're happy to have a 1/10 of a second, 100th of a second off times by changing something, a whole second off is definitely an improvement for the Pioneer 500, especially when I know most of you guys like me, we're craving just a little more power out of these guys. In trail riding, I can definitely feel an improvement. Mighty Mouse is handling these 32s so much better. It almost has its zippiness back like it had on the 27s. Yes, I'm exaggerating a little bit. You can still tell there's 32s on there. However, our get up and go has improved. Especially our hill pulling power has improved. I can take hills now again in second. I had to downshift into low gear prior to the Power Commander. of the biggest surprises to me was in the, say you're cruising around 10, 15, you hit the gas. Stock without the Power Commander, this guy had a lag. I mean, if these big old 32s, they're not the heaviest 32s out there, but they're still pretty heavy. You felt them. With the Power Commander, it's got its get up and go back from a rolling start. I wish I had the room here to do our 20 to 30 run, but since the railroad tracks isn't available on a steady basis anymore, I don't have anything set up to do that. I am going to try to find some place to do that. I got plenty of fields here. We still make hay and sell hay, so I can't go running through all the hay fields and ruining the crop. So the biggest question I'm sure you guys are going to ask, is the bump in performance worth the around $350 price point it's going to cost to buy the Power Commander 5? When I see a post, especially from new Pioneer 500 owners, asking what is out there to do a boost in performance, if you're that guy that needs to try to eke every little ounce of power you can out of this without any major modifications, some bug lands on my glasses, then you're probably going to have no problem throwing $350 at a Power Commander to get you that extra gain. If you're someone that has big tires on and aren't really comfortable enough or have any access to someone who is to throw in, let's say, a gear reduction, then the Power Commander is definitely going to help you spin some bigger tires. Is that saying it's a substitution for a gear reduction? Yes, no. It's not going to give you the wheel spinning power an internal gear reduction is going to do. However, with an internal gear reduction always comes a decrease in top speed because you're lowering your gearing. With the Power Commander, it's going to give you a little bit a bump in that wheel spinning power without reducing your top speed. So if you're wanting a little more power and not wanting to lose the top speed you would lose with a gear reduction, then the Power Commander 5 definitely is doing the job. So again, is it worth it to spend the money? That's going to have to be your guys' own decision. Take the data I've shown you today, put that with all the other data we're going to get in the future as we hump on this guy. Of course, now when we install the turbo, it's really not going to matter unless you guys are wanting to install a turbo. But seeing as how I spent my own hard-earned money on the Power Commander, I think it was worth it to get this guy back to how it was running on 27s. Close to, not exactly, but close to how it felt to run, especially on the trails with 27-inch tires compared to these big old 32s. So overall, am I happy? Yes, I am happy with buying it and installing it. Especially when there's not a whole lot out there as far as performance goodies for these little Pioneer 500s. Speaking of performance goodies, by the time this video comes out, we should either be at or done with the P5 Jive, which means the next time we see Mr. Mighty Mouse in the Hillbilly Garage, we are going to be ready to slap a turbo on there. Something you guys are biting at the bits to see me do, something I'm biting at the bits to see me do myself. And it's coming, guys, very, very soon. So thanks for watching, thanks for all your support, and until next time, keep on riding.